All right, so we have Lisa joining us. Lisa is one of our top transformers and one of our top clients. She's been crushing it inside of our program. So I want to ask you a few questions, Lisa. The first question being, where were you before you started our program?
Well, I had just had my third baby I guess about 10 months before I started, roughly. And I was very overweight. I was 235, almost 235 pounds and no abs and hadn't worked out in, I don't even know when the last time I had worked out was. So I
Yeah,
was
gotcha.
struggling with body image issues and just tired mom stuff.
Oh yeah, my wife and I, we have one child, and that's hard enough. I can't imagine three, so it's a lot to juggle. So I'm glad you found us. And what are the habits that you've built with our program so far, Lisa?
Um, I've really built or been reminded of and developed really good nutrition habits. Not eating at night, especially not eating carbs at night. That was a huge change for me, but I found it's been a lot easier than I had expected it to be, and it's made a huge impact. And then working out and actually enjoying being physical and doing the Zoom workouts 3 times a week, and when I can, doing the videos as well, or getting outside more and walking and um, yeah, trying to get in as many steps as possible, just being aware of my movements more and wanting to get
Perfect.
off the couch and stuff. So
Perfect. Those are all great things, like learning how to eat properly, when to eat, how much to eat, doing your workouts and actually enjoying it. I always like to say, if you can enjoy doing your workouts, not only will you have success in the short term, you have success in the long term because you enjoy doing it and you're looking forward to it every time.
yeah.
And so, you've had so much success with us in the program. Can you share with us what your results are with us so far into the program?
So far, so I started February 11th, so we're about 3 months, almost 4 months in, and I've lost 35 pounds. So,
Excellent.
and I haven't done my measurements in a while, but I know the top half of my body anyway has gone down 3 sizes. So
Wow.
yeah, I'm really happy with the results I'm seeing so far. So
Excellent. Yeah, you got a big smile. You're 3 sizes down. You fit into your own clothes. You're down 35 pounds. So that's really good. I'm really, really proud of you. And so if someone were looking to join our program and they're kind of on the fence, what would you say to them?
um, I would say that they're worth it. They are worth taking the time and the energy and the money. And that was, for me, that was a big thing, was money and how do I make that work? Um, but I knew I needed to spend time and resources on me. And so anyone who's on the fence, you are worth putting the effort in, because you cannot be who you were meant to be. You cannot be who God created you to be without taking time for yourself and
Absolutely.
to
Well
take
said.
care of yourself, not just to, whittle it away on Facebook, but
Well said. If you can take care of yourself, you can take care of every other area in your life as well. Once your physical body is doing better, your mindset is going to be better, your relationship with your family and kids are going to be better, your productivity is going to be better. So all those things kind of go hand in hand. So I'm super proud of you, Lisa. Thanks for kind of sharing your journey with us. And I'm looking forward to more great things to come from you.
me too.
Awesome.
Thanks for having me, Patrick.
No